Let's quickly learn how to create online form for companies and any registration form at all that you want to do.
This is how it's being done. Head on to open your Gmail, enter gmail.com on your system, gmail.com. I think this is also possible with your phone. You can do this with your phone also, but go to gmail.com and head on to this particular space here. Then you click on docs. We are going to be using Google Docs to do this. Then under this particular place, you see that place. You create when you click the options hamburger menu, to get you to this place. Click on form. You can select any of these templates to start creating your form, but let's use the blank form. We use the blank form. Over here is where you put your title, but just they are trying to take us through it. You don't need that. Now over here, don't delete everything. You can write the title of your form. You can say, before you now go and delete the U, because if you delete everything, for instance, now let me copy this down, Ctrl C. Let me copy this down, delete everything before I start writing. You see, delete everything before I start writing. You see, so now it's advisable to leave one letter down, then you can delete the one letter later, so that you don't fall into that error. Alright, so now from here we can put in our description. So now you now come to your question. Over here we are going to ask them of their name, and you can come here and select how do you want the names to be like. You want it to be short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, and so on and so forth. So I want it to be short answer. Now I will now click on this plus to add question. I will now say address then I'll make that one to be paragraph. I'll add another question. I'll say age, then I'll make that one to be short answer. I'll add another one. I'll say gender. Yes, I'll make that one to be drop down. I'll make that one to be drop down, and over here the options menu, I'll say male. Then I'll now go. You can see if you are done with your questions, you can now go here and publish.